In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this connection problem or invalid MMI code error on your Android phone. So to fix this, first thing you can do is try adding a comma at the end of the code. So if your code looks like this, add a comma at the end by holding the asterisk button. Now try dialing the code again and see if it works. If this doesn't work, there is another thing you can try, which is add a plus sign right after the first asterisk. So go here and then press and hold 0. Now try dialing your code again and see if it works. If you still experience problems, go to the settings app on your Android phone. Now tap on connections. In this menu, you will first need to tap on SIM manager. Now if you are using a dual SIM phone, you first need to disable the SIM from which you don't want to dial the code. So I don't want to use the SIM one, so I'll just disable it from here. Then select turn off to confirm. Once you have done this, return to the previous menu and then tap on mobile networks. Now here tap on network mode option. In this menu, select 3G preferred temporarily. Now try dialing your code again and see if it works. If it works, you can come back to this menu and then enable this 5G preferred so that you receive the fastest internet connection. Now if this doesn't work, your next option is to head to the search menu on your Android phone settings app and then search for auto blocker. Now once you see this, tap on it. Now simply go ahead and disable this auto blocker feature. Now it may be named differently on your Android phone. Simply disable it temporarily and see if it works. If you still experience problems, the next thing you need to do is go to the general settings on your Android phone. So scroll down and then tap on general management. Now here tap on date and time. In this menu, make sure you have enabled this automatic date and time option. If the date and time is set manually or if it's incorrect, you may experience problems while dialing codes. So make sure to check this. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to the reset menu and then go to this reset mobile network settings menu and then reset all the network settings. So this will fix any problems that may be causing the problem. So make sure to try this. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.